Jupiter's Great Red Spot. One of the most fascinating things in our solar system, if you ask me. The first mind blowing fact about the spot is that it's twice the size of Earth, and as many people know, it's essentially a giant storm that's been raging for a very long time. A little less than 500 years ago, we started peering out into space with telescopes, and the storm was already raging at that time and is still going today. There are all kinds of theories on how long the storm will last and whether the Great Red Spot will stick around for the foreseeable future. But we're unable to have any proven theories on when these massive winds will finally stop blowing. The storm on Jupiter is way more intense than anything we experience on Earth, with wind speeds blowing up to 270 miles per hour, as the highest wind speed ever recorded on Earth was 231 miles per hour. So, if you were somehow inside Jupiter's red spot, you'd obviously have no chance of standing still and just observing. And this is all, of course, if you could even make it into the red spot. The fact is, the red spot is incredibly hot, reaching temperatures of roughly 2,500 degrees Fahrenheit. Pretty toasty. So, while making your way down to the red spot after entering Jupiter's atmosphere, you'd unfortunately burn up instantaneously. So, if you had any plans of going there one day, I would advise against it. Now, the fact that the spot has been there for so long is incredibly fascinating. However, many scientists believe the spot is shrinking, and that could be a sign that the spot might not be there that much longer. If we see the spot go away in the next 100 years or so, man, what a run for one giant storm to last so long. But with that being said, I wouldn't be surprised if we don't see it disappear anytime soon. And there are many scientists that believe that we don't have any real evidence that the storm is actually shrinking or slowing down at all. Now, there are even more interesting unknown factors about Jupiter's Great Red Spot, starting with its energy source. For a storm to rage this long, what exactly keeps it going? Many think that precious compounds from lightning strikes are the main fuel for the storm, things like sulfur, ammonia, and water vapor. Another interesting thing about the Great Red Spot is how incredibly deep it is into the atmosphere. Jupiter has an incredibly deep atmosphere, and it's estimated that the Great Red Spot is roughly 270 miles deep into Jupiter's atmosphere. And that's about as far down as we can peer into the atmosphere for now. So, what it's like deeper into the planet is just speculation. And we can make an educated guess that it's just more and more hydrogen and gas compounds until you reach the core of the planet. As far as what we consider the surface of the planet, it's where the atmospheric pressure is equal to that of Earth's. But with that being said, it's still totally possible that Jupiter has a solid surface beyond all those gases. Like I said, the planet being made up of only gases until you reach the core is just speculation. And as dense as it is and as deep as it goes, I'm afraid we won't have an answer to whether or not it has a solid surface anytime soon. Just know that when someone tells you that Jupiter 100% does not have a solid surface, this is not a concrete scientific fact. Anyways, what do you guys think? Does Jupiter have a solid surface beneath its gassy outer shell? Will its great red spot disappear anytime soon? These questions are still very much up in the air, so let me know in the comments what you think. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in to today's video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for more awesome science content, and I will see you guys in the next video.